So, I'm really excited to make this just right. The BIGME Color e-ink monitor. Let's unbox it. Here it is. The BIGME e-ink monitor. The monitor is surprisingly light. The stand is quite sturdy. You can see it's not completely white, it's quite dark because it's the Kaleido 3 technology. And I will definitely compare it to my LCD monitor. You can see already here with the natural light that you can see the screen much better. Let me try to just make a close-up. I connected it to USB-C. I had to restart the screen, but now it's pretty much, it is plug and play, and my screen should appear in a moment. And voila. Let me see to which side. Okay, it's to the wrong side. There seems to be an automatic refresh. Oh, this is really nice. And so here I think we're in HD mode. It's still very usable. The ghosting is minimal. I hope you can see it well enough. The colors look good. There's some weird color representations. The accuracy is not great, but looking at the screen it feels really nice. And now I'm gonna try to change the refresh mode. But now the scrolling is faster. I don't think it's... yeah, no, it's okay. There's definitely much more ghosting. Now let's look at a video.
Easy to get lost in a mountain of feature requests, not knowing.
So the color accuracy is terrible.
What to build next,
It's really bad, I think, but it's nice to watch videos on this.
One of the best product people I've ever worked with, to chat about how he decides which features to build next. We talk about real examples from the...
So this is the first impressions, the unboxing. Let me know if you have any specific questions. I will try to use it for a few days and then make a review. Here I am late at night, working on the BIGME screen. I'm using it as my only monitor to try it out, to really try to adapt to the lag, the latency of the mouse and the typing. It's small but it's noticeable. But this way you can have a realistic view of how the device looks, the contrast here, the brightness of the screen as well. If I turn off the light, you can see that there is no backlight. So here the backlight is turned off, and so with just these two lights it's a very comfortable viewing experience. But I can also turn the backlight on with this neat remote control that they added to the package, which you can use to change the settings, adjust the ink mode, etc. So that's a really nice addition.